So if you've been looking around at a lot of the different mills we've shown that we've done in the past, we sometimes refer to them as development/lab mills or as production mills, and we often get asked what the differences between them are. And the simplest way to put it is usually when I'm designing something that's a development or a lab mill, we're designing it to be for a lot of versatility. So it's designed to be able to cover a wide range of different materials, sizes, widths, thicknesses, and applications for purposes of running just small quantities of that. And usually a lot of the features that we prioritize putting on that equipment is going to be stuff for recording data and providing as many data points as possible to go with the material running, so it can be recorded and archived for research purposes. For those of you looking to do that, that's just to give you an idea of what we're trying to focus on providing with that. With production mills, we go a little bit of a different route. Instead of designing a mill with as much versatility as possible, we're really trying to design a mill that is optimized for your specific size range. So it is the best size mill to accommodate what your realistically largest and smallest product you run, of your widths and various things. And it's done that way because by designing it to be optimized, it can more easily produce your target sizes and produce it at a much faster, higher rate, which will give you a lot more product and also generate a lot less scrap in the equation. When it comes to production, we can also provide various features such as data logging and other components that are very common with R&D mills as well. It just depends on your preferences.